Alright guys, so in this video I got probably what I would consider one of the coolest add-ons for my tractor to date. Now I've gotten the BX Expand tooth bar, awesome for the bucket. The edge tamers with the extension work awesome in conjunction with the tooth bar. The BX thumb for the backhoe, which has made a world of difference in working it. But today I'm going to show y'all add-on. I'm going to show y'all a few items. This add-on is a little, like I said, a little different. So if you see here, got water hose, some soap and water here, some masking tape, a heat gun, some alcohol, and a couple of old rags. I bet you can't imagine what I'm going to do with that. All right, well, let's get on with the video and let's see. Yeah, I know guys should be washing the whole thing, but I really don't have time to do that today. We got rain just to the south coming this way. You can smell it and hear it. And this time when it's supposed to start raining, it ain't supposed to stop until Sunday. So right now I just got time to do this. Now, if y'all remember, I had this dipper stick powder coated, so the decals were blasted off when they sandblasted it, powder coated, which is still looking amazing. But I haven't really got to use it that much yet. The rains here lately have been so terrible. You know, it just won't dry up. All right, so we got all that cleaned up. Now some of you by now might be guessing what I'm about to do. So, but we're far from being done. All right, so we're gonna take a heat gun, and I got me one of them wooden wedges you can buy a pack of from Lowe's, Home Depot, any place like that. Also, the nylon paint scrapers work really good, the plastic ones, as long as they ain't burred up, because you don't want to scratch your paint. Now I'm gonna move the camera in a little closer so you can see what I'm fixing to do here. I'm gonna take this decal off. So I'm gonna take my heat gun, and this is not a high one, this is one I bought at Lowe's. Fairly cheap one. Don't get tremendously hot, but I'm gonna heat my decal up enough to soften the glue. I don't wanna heat it too much because I don't wanna cook it back onto the paint. I just wanna loosen it. Now sometimes if you got fingernails, you can get them started just with your fingernails and get them going, and that's enough. But if you don't, one of these or the plastic paint scrapers work really well. I don't recommend using a blade because most of the time you will gouge your paint before you even get under the sticker. And they come off really good. All right, now I'm gonna get me an old rag. My wife keeps all the old washcloths, dishcloths, and that and piles them up for me. Okay, so just some stuff you got at home. Some rubbing alcohol. All right, this will clean off the glue, grease, anything that still might have on there. You don't want to use Windex. You don't want to use nothing like that because all that leaves a film behind, and that film, I guarantee you, will be an issue. So you don't want no kind of cleaner. You want, and I don't recommend using any kind of brake cleaner or grease removal on your paint because that's just too harsh. I'm gonna get from my weld to my arm, cover the whole area from top to bottom, make sure I don't miss nothing. All right, so there's a guy, I am a member of his Facebook community, and it's Massey GC Subcompact Tractor on Facebook. All right. I also am subscribed to him on YouTube. He has a YouTube channel, and a lot of you guys, especially you guys on Facebook, y'all gonna recognize this guy's name when I say it, because a lot of you are actually members of his community as well. And his name is Eric Van Nostrand, and I hope, Eric, I pronounced that correctly. All right. So Eric is in the Northeast up there, and Eric makes some decals. And I think when you guys get a look at this, you are just gonna love them, okay? But to actually see them on the tractor, you're gonna have to wait until the end of the video once I'm all done. I'm gonna do the install and all that at the same time, all in one shot on this. One of the things you can do with these stickers is if you wash your tractor, clean with some alcohol. I removed the front decals so I could show y'all how to do it, but initially I was just gonna leave them on because these stickers will overlay. They will lay right over the old decal, so you don't even have to remove them if you don't want to, okay? But if they are tore, scratched, balled up, nicked up, you might want to go ahead and remove them if you got a good hair dryer and a nice hot day, like today's 90 degrees. You know, you can remove them really quick. There is a set for the front end loader, and there is a set for the backhoe, all right? And the reason is because your 1705 and your 1715 doesn't come with a backhoe. So this way you can order it for the front end loader, all right? And you get both sides. And then if you got a TLB, 1710 or 1720, you can have a set for your dipper stick right there. And again, you can either overlay or remove them and put them right there on that side over there on both sides. All right, so the stickers, I will discuss the price with you after you see them on the tractor. And he also has the links I'm gonna put in the description below for his eBay store to order these through. So, and I really think when you guys see this sticker, these decals, you're gonna freaking love them. I loved it the moment I seen it. It was like, this is the coolest add-on I have put on my tractor. And it's kind of a personal touch kind of add-on thing. So, all right, so let me get back to the video. Let me get these stickers on, and then we're going to show you what it looks like. I am going to keep a camera at the distance so I can kind of show you how I lay them out and map them out so that you can understand how to lay them or see how to lay them if you've never done this before, both on that, and then we'll do a close-up on them. All right, so let me get a couple of more items, and then we'll get started. All right, so to get a measurement so I can make sure it's on both sides, I got me some 1.5" tape here, and I am just going to run me a semi-straight line from here, and then do the same thing on the other side so I can guarantee both of them is going to be at the same distance away from that well. And then the same thing here off of this well. Now you can lay your stickers, your decals however you want. This is the way I'm going to do it. We're going to peel it, the back off, leave the face on. We're going to start with our tape line because we know that measurement. And I'm going to keep it off the metal, as you see here, as a white from the center outwards. All the way to the end. Make sure your angle and everything is right before you start sticking, because once you start sticking, it's pretty much a done deal. Same thing with the front. Peel it. Peel my backing off. And then start with my tape. Get my angle. Now when I lay mine, I like laying the paper to roll over the tape, not the sticker, but the face paper, so that when you peel your tape, it actually loosens the lip to grab when you go to peel it. So it gives you a nice little lip to grab onto. Now then, last trick of it all. And I'm going to start on the far side. I'm going to make y'all wait till the last minute. All right, you might be able to read it from there, but you sure are going to after this. So you want to grab it, you want to pull it tight. I'm going to bring the camera up close when I do the front one. And you want to keep as tight to that decal as possible as you're pulling it down. All right, guys, so I'm going to move you in, and you're definitely going to get to see the sticker, one of the decals now. So, but I'm going to move y'all in so y'all can see how I'm talking about peeling these things. So I'm going to take my dry rag and I'm going to rub it down really nice, make sure I ain't got no air pockets, nothing like that in there. It's all nice and smooth. And I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to roll it, and I'm going to keep my paper as tight as I can. I'm not lifting and pulling. I'm pulling straight down at over, I don't know what degree that would be. And there we go. And there's the new decals. This is my little beast. So let me take y'all for a little close walk around. So that's what it says. It's got the DL95 for the front end loader. And then on the backhoe, it has got the CB65 little beast for the backhoe numbers. All right. So the set for the backhoe, 2 stickers, is $20. The set for the front end loader is $20 for the DL95, or you can get both sets together for $35. And this is free shipping. Anywhere in the United States, guys, he will ship for free. So this is free shipping. All you gotta do is just buy the decals. And so, you know, 20 bucks. I like what it says. I like what it represents. You know, compared to just the CB65 and the DL95 on the front. I like this so much more. I think it's so much more brighter, eye-catching. And it's what this is. It's my little beast. As well as all of you guys. I know it's y'all's little beast as well. These tractors are amazing. So, all right, guys. So I know it's a little different video. I really want to try to get back to working the tractor. But the weather just, like I said, I'm holding 2 or 3 inches right now, and then they're calling for flooding until Sunday. But anyway, all right, guys. So, Eric, awesome. They're beautiful. I love them on the tractor. They give it character. It makes it mine, and it speaks for itself. It's exactly what it is. It's my little beast. So little beast DL95 for your front end loaders. For all you guys, that's 1705s and the 1715s. And then the CB65, little beast CB65 for the TLBs, or both if you got both and you want both. I like both. It really does something. So $20 a set, $35 for both, for all 4. Free shipping. All right, and I'm gonna put in the description the eBay links at his eBay store to order these. Also, like I said, go check him out. It's Eric Van Nostrand. I hope I pronounced that right, Eric. You know us Cajuns, I'm lousy with English. Anyway, and his community on Facebook is Massey GC subcompact tractors. So y'all go check him out over there. So, but this is John Louisiana Compartments, man. Y'all have a great week or weekend whenever it is I get this video posted up.